Here we come to the elevators at the Tyndall Avenue garage at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. These were installed in the early 2000s, and they are they have analog indicators, FM radio chatter, facilities management. Very quiet bell.
There's Scenic as well, so...
Yep, here it comes. Not Scenic until we go up. Very nice cab, fluorescent, but very basic.
I think we do see the glass once we get out there.
Yeah, and
Yep.
here we go. This is hydro. It's dirty, but you can see out. No classic leveling. And here's 5.
And you can see a good view downtown.
Yep. Let's not hold it open for. Let's get out and get a view. This is a very nice garage. This is one of the tallest ones on campus too.
Highland's a bit taller though.
Oh yeah, it is. But this is pretty tall because you get a very good view.
Yeah.
Anyways, here's the Olive building, which is very nice. I'll get a view of the Graduate and the Olive.
And the Marriott Hotel is next to it.
Yep, Marriott Hotel.
Kind of see a spire behind it.
You can. I'm trying to get a good view of it. There's a spire. There's the Marriott Hotel with the open balconies. Main gate garage. And then
University Services.
Yeah, University Services right here with the huge cooling towers coming out at the top of it. And then here's the map.
This until see Tucson House.
Oh yeah, you can. You can see Tucson House and the you'll see Tucson House and then the mountains over here. Tucson Mountains here. That's a light, but there's the Tucson Mountains. Let's get a view of this mountain that has the cell tower. And anyways, let's go back down. Emergency telephone. Let's see if our elevator has left us. It's this one now.
A little scraping on the door.
Yeah. Let's go down to 1. So this has a fan on. Slightly different cab. This doesn't have texture. This has a completely covered up panel for the fluorescent lighting. Very similar indicator. ADA compliant phone built to the car station.
It looks like 5 was locked at 5 was like closed at one point.
Yeah.
So it had like a label over it.
Yeah, and then you got the fire service, and our capacity is 3,500 pounds. Let's take this one up to 5. Bell works on the ground floors, but on the outdoor levels, does not work. Door close button does not work. Let's go back up. This has a better view because this window has been cleaned. And you can see Tyndall Avenue. Here's a coach bus. Alright, let's go down to 1. Bell does not work.
Door closes instantly.
Yeah, instant door close. Some graffiti right here, but this window is pretty clean compared to the other one. And here we go down to the ground floor. Look at that. You can kind of see the leveling. There's a view up, and while we're down here, let's get a look at the shaft. Here's a smoke detector up there. And GL interlock. And I should probably let this thing go. So, anyways, here it goes. And that's it.